Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can type vertically in your sheets on Google Sheets in 2026. So let us get started. So here guys, navigate to your table or spreadsheet or sheet and then select the given cell with your left mouse. Now as you can see, that's horizontal typing, right? So that's the, there's a typo, excuse me. So that's the default setup or formatting, but you can also go over vertical formatting. So what you want to do is select the cell. Then what you want to do next is navigate to format, navigate to rotation, and choose this option, stack vertically. And now the text inside the cell looks like that. Now you can also change the alignment, for example, not only for the horizontal alignment, but also for the vertical one here. And yeah, of course, if the text supports that. So you would see the vertical alignment here, top, bottom, down, and then guys, you will see the text rotation button here as well. So to switch from the vertical one, you may, for example, rotate the text like this, or you may navigate to the rotation and remove any of these formats by selecting none here. That is going to restore the horizontal format for the text. And that's how you do it, guys. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.